We get it. For a lot of us, being on or even behind the camera can be daunting. And we know that adopting any new technology is tough for teams. With Vidyard, we've built our product to be intuitive and available anywhere you work, and with the tools teams already use. When it comes to recording videos, Vidyard is accessible and user-friendly. Our plugin integrates with Chrome, Edge, Gmail, and Outlook, making it easy to incorporate video into daily activities and outreach. And with great features like pause and trim, you can take a second to regroup mid-recording, or edit out those little mistakes after you're done. Our notes feature also comes in handy for helping speakers stay on script and to remember to hit the high points. For marketing teams, Vidyard makes uploading, organizing, and sharing video content simple, whether you're adding videos to your website, marketing campaign, or social media channels. And branding stays on point with customizable landing pages, end screens, and calls to action. Vidyard knows video, and our team is dedicated to helping you succeed. From onboarding and best practices to templates and resources, we've laid the framework to easily incorporate video across your team and processes. We cover everything from setting up your workspace for the best viewing experience to building a winning video strategy for sales and marketing, and so much more.